Okay, Tito Jeff here, Romac City. Today is the first day of construction of an outbuilding that we're going to add to the house, which will have a full bathroom, a laundry room, and a little shop slash office slash man cave for me. So we're going to place that right here. It's going to be about 8 feet deep by about 12 feet in length. It'll be about the same height as the roof of the high kubo there. And so here we've got a hole for a foundation for a cement column. And right here we're digging up this old mango tree stump, which will take a little time. We've got some leftover sand and gravel from the renovations that we did to the house back in the summer of 2022. This is January 2023. So they will use that. And I don't know if we're gonna keep the papaya tree or not. I think it's gonna have to go. Also, later on, they will dig a hole here for a septic tank for the new bathroom. All right. So these guys, Alan, I'll go through. Alan, move for me. And over here, and you can see how they make. Hey, this is Ronald. He's kind of the boss man here today. He is bending rebar. See this? He's doing a jig with concrete nails and some post over lumber. He is bending rebar and used as forms for concrete columns. And that's it. So you can see over here the little forms that he's bending. We're getting ready to tie this together with some wire to make the first concrete form. And these are going to be 30 centimeters, Sato, Ronald, 30 centimeter column. 30 centimeters to each side on the column. So this is our Buhai Kabo. We're also going to put a new roof and some guttering on the Buhai Kabo. And we're going to add an extension to the roof over here. So you can see how the porch, that's the little terrace there, porch is extended out. And we're going to extend the roof out all the way to the edge here, over to the fence. And that will give us more room in rainy weather. It keeps the porch dry, because right now the edge of the roof is so close to the edge of the porch that when it rains, the porch gets wet. It'll cover it up. It'll give us more room to put clothes out to dry when it's raining. And it'll give us a place here for when Marcel likes to do hand washing of clothes. She can do that in the rain without getting outside. So it'll give us a little more livable space that way. Place to sit out in the rain and have a table and picnic or something like that, whatever we want to do. So this is day one. I got a 4-man crew. We didn't get a permit on this. I asked my neighbors and they said, nah, you don't really need one. So I'll keep you up to date on the progress of the CR. We'll add to this video today as we make progress. Okay. So this is still day one of construction of the outbuilding. And we received some concrete block here. Those are 15 pesos each, or 30 cents each. So it's not the same as in America. You can see they're kind of rough on the edges. Not the same quality that you get in America. But it works just fine. Two. Faith, Faith, come on, come on. The boss lady here is getting in the way. This is Justin Faith. She's our supervisor, so she was inspecting the gravel. Hey.
Atras salva. Sige, atras hanggang sariyot. Sariyot.
So we got a half a cubic yard. We ordered 2, so he's gonna make 2 more trips. This is the delivery vehicle. So it's raining now. Guys are still working. And this is Jacinto, my brother-in-law. He's working on getting that stump out of there. It's a big job. It's a mine with a paper bag on his head. No, Alan. I'm sorry, that's Alan. And he dug this hole for a foundation hole, and he's digging another one. Lots of work. So we're getting the rest of our concrete block delivered. In the rain. It's going to rain a lot this week. It rains a lot in the Philippines. Okay, it's the end of the first day. Guys have gone home, and the looks like the tree stump is gone, and they've backfilled that hole. They've got some rebar in the bottom of this hole for foundation on one corner of the building, and they're digging out a tree over here. We had a papaya tree, so it was cut down, and they're digging it out for another corner foundation hole. Oh. Plus, they've got 1, 2, 3 pieces of rebar formed up, which will go in the bottom. I think this will go in the bottom of the hole, so you have lots of rebar here and less at the top. And those will be the posts for the building, structural support. So they got quite a bit done today, even though it rained and slowed them down a little bit. But we had all the materials we needed. They didn't have to wait on materials. And but lots of work, lots of just manual labor. So that's the end of day 1. We'll start again tomorrow at 8 o'clock.